There's 2 things of butter.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brad Flows back with another video. No capper.
I'm a capper.
Man, stop playing.
I get the up bucket for the Knicks. I know a couple bloods, but I know a lot of Crips.
We have to stop and get some Wendy'S and get something to eat, bro.
When you eat breakfast.
Or dinner. Y'all wanna know something?
Yeah.
If we're not supposed to eat past 8 p.m., then how come when you go in the refrigerator, the light is on?
For some water. At night. Fight or fright. Apex.
Apex flight, yeah.
Hey, Jesse. Remember for your birthday when you had went to the hotel thing?
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to go so bad.
Yep.
I said I wanted to go so bad, but what I was doing that was in Galveston.
Wait, Quantum birthday went, right?
Yeah.
Fire. I'm not going to leave there, bro.
Huh?
I'm not going to leave there.
Yeah, I heard you would not leave, bro. You want some? Alright, there you go.
I'm going that one YouTuber.
Yep.
One YouTuber. He cooks and they be like, take a bite.
Take a bite.
No, YouTube, I know that
quick
really,
bite.
the only YouTuber I know that really cooks like that. Well,
Me.
Corey's Kingston.
Wait, Wendy's had a chicken sandwich before everybody else.
You want some? Alright,
Take a bite.
good bite.
Take a bite, dude.
Alright, there you go.
Hey man, too big of a bite, bro. Y'all need to chill.
Gold pot racing though, man.
That's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
We should really get home though.
Huh?
Should really get home.
Wow.
It's 12.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I'm surprised your mom haven't called, bro.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe she did call.
Yeah.
And my phone's on silent. It's on vibrate. Not that I use it for anything.
Hello, it's me.
Alright.
Hey, text me at 10 a.m.
I mean, I don't like it or anything, bro. You know, it's just, you know, I don't like it. It's just, you know. All right, good day.
Now, have you ever boxed somebody?
Nope.
Like, asked with gloves? Like, something like, try to, like, tear somebody's head off?
Mm-mm.
So you never, like, boxed nobody? Or you never, like, got in the gloves with nobody?
Mm-mm.
It's fun, bro.
You
In a
wasting
real
stuff
ring?
on you, bro.
Have you? Yeah, like in a real ring? Yeah.
Huh?
Have you got like boxing in a real ring?
No, I want to, though.
Bruh, I can't bite.
Man, I boxed at school before, though. A few people. I don't know if they're. I don't believe that they were 10 ounce gloves, though. Because the gloves I had was like a lot bigger.
I mean, the average gloves they give out is probably like 12, 14. I think that's about it.
Who's this dog, bro? I see that.
Oh, Tuggy.
Oh. They're trying to escape.
They're like, let me out. Need to get out of
How
here.
do you escape? But I ain't never really driven a go-kart like that.
You haven't?
Only place
at all?
I've drove
Incredible
one
Pizza,
before.
man.
Huh?
Incredible Pizza, man.
I ain't drove those.
I wonder if anybody still goes there, bro.
You haven't drove those? Oh, yeah. You have to ride with somebody. I remember I drove. I won once.
I was prepared to ride with somebody.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. That's crazy. No, you went go-kart riding once?
Shut up. No, I didn't.
We was at this one place, remember?
Yeah, DDDs. Nope, I went with somebody.
Oh my gosh. Are you done with your food? Oh, you're not even half.
Are you gonna do that?
Who drank my lemonade?
Me.
I don't remember drinking this much though. That's
What flavor is that?
strawberry.
Milk.
And it's the fruity drink.
No. I've never driven a go-kart after that.
Oh, here. For it when you trash. Are y'all done eating, bro? Come on now.
So if I burn y'all and something I've never done before, that's just telling y'all.
You got any more fries on there, bro? Yep. Maybe that's not.
Hey,
Yeah.
stop talking in.
No, I always got. That's greasy. Never mind.
You breathing.
I just said it about me. You know, like things, bro. You know, I said it about me.
Dang,
Well,
sour cream.
I ain't gonna
you
that.
you trying to clean what?
I ain't gonna care. That chicken sandwich was fire. It was banging.
Bro, I can't open the sour cream. I got trouble opening everything.
You drink that water.
Rub my balls in the game.
Hey, y'all think? Jesse, you think the fight that's coming up with Jake Paul and Nate Robinson?
Hey.
He think gonna win?
Hey. Exactly.
Dude, I think our brother might be smarter than you. You think so?
Yeah.
But he's super intelligent. But I be listening.
He really is.
Well, I be listening to like
Stupid intelligent.
the way he be talking. He be like, what?
What you talking about?
Now, a lot of kids
What
don't.
are we talking about?
Now, a lot of kids don't have that. But like, bro, just you know how when you like talk to somebody, it's like it's like talking to a wall, bro. It's like you talk to a wall, the wall just sit there, and it's like talking to a person. Like you tell them the same thing over and over, and it's just like, it's like, bro.
Hey, I don't get doing.
Like, can you speak? Do you understand English?
No.
I'm trying to get 10 minutes of footage real quick. That's why. You know, you trying to finesse into the algorithm. Your videos, you want to at least drop 3 videos a week. Something I don't do, and have your videos between 10 to 12 minutes long.
I'm gonna do some reading because I'm a
Hey, y'all, I'm dropping jewels on y'all right now, man.
I don't know. I think Jake Paul, like fighting. I'm going back to the fight. I think Jake Paul, he's more experienced. I think he can beat him, just not in the first round like he said he would. If he try to knock him out in the first round or do whatever,
But
he gonna get top because Nate Robinson is gonna. Have
Oh yeah, I watched
experience.
I went back and watched the video with Logan Paul and KSI, and Logan Paul did good for the first round, and he was like so tired, and
Yeah,
he was stating that right when the second round went, like he didn't hear anything that his coaches said. He didn't remember nothing. He just like his whole body was shut down, so he was like already tired. I ain't gonna lie, Logan was really like digging KSI, bro. He was. But hey, you know, the first fight
but
that
Nate,
they had was like a draw.
yeah, but Nate's like a basketball
Second
player.
fight
Like, he
he won.
got endurance. He run up and down the court.
Yeah.
he got endurance.
But I hate how he didn't show us actually sparring with somebody. But at the same time,
You gotta move silent.
at the same time, as you said, it's kind of good to not show your footage because then Jake Paul can't really see him actually sparring somebody else. All he sees is the pads and the mitts and anything. I feel like anybody can be good on the mitts and pads.
Yeah.
But like, I don't know. We're gonna see when because the fight is this month. I forgot what day it is.
28th.
28th.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Bro, man. I'm not on nobody's side right now. I just want to see who's gonna win. If that makes sense. I ain't picking no Jake's side or Nate's side, but
I'm picking Nate's side. I'm tired of Jake winning. And I mean, he's been fighting basically like nobody. Like all the people he's fought hasn't even been boxing for like a year.
Yeah.
So it's basically a one-sided fight. If he does get beat by Nate, though, that's gonna be sad on his part.
I mean, if Jake's win, it's just gonna boost his ego even more.
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna do, bro. But now both of them are good fighters, man. From what we've seen, I feel like both of them gonna do great. You know, in terms of the training and whatnot. But hey, man, you're gonna see when November 28th gets here. 27 more days. So at 26 really, but we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. Hey, man, thank y'all for tuning in, and I don't want no dislikes. Period.
No, just now that you said
I don't want no
they're gonna
dislikes.
do that.
But thank y'all for tuning in, man. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna catch y'all next week.